Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm also going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of this stunning 430D M Sport Coupe, presented in Alpine White. Alongside that, of course, we've added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. And of course, you'll also get a nice view of that as we make our way around. And shortly towards the end of the video, I'll also go ahead and take a seat inside the car and run yourselves through a few of the interior features in a bit more detail. Alongside the very nice Alpine White and of course that YNC styling kit, we've also added the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels that we have had just fully refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit Grey. Sitting behind there, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and of course that does mean we've got the full M Sport Plus package on the car. It's a 2017 plate and does also benefit from the full facelift as well. Down the side of the car, you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. Again, another nice feature for the M Sport Plus package is the sun protection glazing you'll see on the rear windows, and again an exceptionally clean and tidy example of a very sought after variant of a 4 Series coupe we have for you. The interior, we've got the black Dakota leather with the heated electric movement and memory options, and again you'll see that all of that is exceptionally clean and tidy. And again, thanks to this M Sport Plus package, we've got the superb Harman Kardon surround sound with the Logic 7, and of course, as well as that superb 3-litre engine, we've got the fantastic 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, a very comfortable, very large, spacious Isofix rear bench with a centre folding armrest, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining working very nicely with both the interior and exterior colours on this car. Before heading round to the rear, again, I just want to show you off these fantastic alloy wheels and of course those standout M Sport Plus brakes. At the back of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser, and again BMW introduced these fantastic, very striking LED facelift rear lights. If you've not yet seen in the boot of a 4 Series coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space you will find in there, alongside how big the opening is and alongside having split folding seats to further enhance that room. Closing that boot down, we'll head round to the other side of the car, and there you can see again how well the Alpine White does work with all of the additions we've made here, and again just how well the condition is of this vehicle. And I'm going to shortly head on inside to of course run yourselves through just a few of the interior features and functions of this 430D. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside. First of all, we're greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen. And as you can see, I've currently just got the connectivity screen up. And as you can see there, alongside the regular Bluetooth telephone and audio, this vehicle's also been equipped with the Apple CarPlay option, which is of course another fantastic bit of connectivity. And again, we're running you through the very nice navigation function, which utilises real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs for DAB, music collection, and of course USB inputs. Down here we'll find the dual climate control alongside our switches for the heated seats. And going across into the My Vehicle screen, we can take a look at the service requirements and service history of the car. You'll see there that the next service is not due for 14,000 miles time, and we do indeed have full BMW service history for the car, being that it has only covered the very low mileage of just over 36,000 miles. And of course, I know I've mentioned it, we've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, we've got cruise control, we've got speed limiter and voice and volume controls, all situated on this lovely multi-function M Sport steering wheel. So there is the walk around video for another stunning vehicle here at Your Next Car. Hopefully you've been able to enjoy it and found it useful. For any further information, remember, if you take a look down into the description, you'll find a link to our website alongside direct contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And again guys, hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. Take care, goodbye.